All right, so now we are going to move from the smaller place values to the larger place values. So we're moving from smaller place values to larger place values. Let me get everything adjusted here. So again, this is where we can look at the same kind of thing. We can either pull out our manipulatives, we can draw a picture, or we can use a place value chart. So we're going to do one of these questions in all three ways. So the question says 40 ones equals how many tens? So we've used the number line and we've said, okay, so 110 equals 10 ones. And we've said 2 tens, two tens equals 20 ones, and 3 tens equals 30 ones. So 4 tens equals 40 ones. So we can do that backwards. 10 ones is a 10, 20 ones is 2 tens, 30 ones is 3 tens, 40 ones is 4 tens. So you can do it that way. That's one way. You can draw out 40 of these and put them in groups of 10. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Sorry, I was counting wrong. Let's try that again. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I'm on to 21. I can't think and write at the same time. Sorry about that, guys. My mouth got a little ahead of my brain on that one. So this is 30 ones, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And I've already put these in nice little groups of 10 for you, so it's easy to see. This is 110, 2 tens, 3 tens, and 4 tens. I do not have enough manipulatives to be able to do this with my rods and my cubes, but you may have that many at home where you can actually use your manipulatives to lay this out. But if we look at this, we can count out each of the cubes that would be positioned in here. And we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 40 ones is 4 tens. Now, I did tell you we can use place value charts too. And so I want to show you how to use a place value chart to solve that problem. So I'm going to go ahead and scoot down here towards the bottom of my paper, and hopefully you guys will be able to see all of this and it won't look crazy. I'm going to make my place value chart. Here's my decimals. Here's all my stuff to the left, which gets bigger. Place values. And we could keep going on and on and on and on forever because numbers go on forever. We've got ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. And then to the right, we have tenths, hundredths, and thousandths, right? Tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. So the question is, if we have 40 ones, how many tens is that? Well, to make 40 ones, we just have to make sure that our number ends in the place value of the ones. So we're going to have 0 and 4. That shows us 40 ones. How many tens are there in 40 ones? There are 4 tens. 4 tens in 40 ones, or 40 ones equals 4 tens. When we count by tens, it makes it super easy to use a place value chart. So let's look at 50 thousandths. 50 thousandths. So we know that we're going to end our number in thousandths. 0, 5. 50 thousandths. We need our decimal, and we need a 0 in the tenths because we don't have any tenths. So when we write this decimal out, 50 thousandths still has to have this place value to the left of it. Still has to have this place value to the left of it. Now it's asking you, if you have 50 thousandths, how many hundredths do you have? How many hundredths do you have? So when we look at the place value ending in the hundredths, we can see that we have 5 hundredths in 50 thousandths. 5 hundredths in 50 thousandths. So again, we can convert or change place values from low to high or from high to low. If we look at 60 tens, again, we want that 60 to end in the tens place, not the tenths, but the tens. So if we have 60 tens, that's 60 tens. We have to have this place value to the right. Okay, so we could say 60 tens. 60 tens is 6 hundredths. 60 tens is 6 hundredths. Sixty tens is 6 hundredths. So now you know how to do converting place value from a smaller place value to a larger place value. And you can do it in a variety of ways. You can use a number line that shows the relationship. You can use your manipulatives or draw pictures, or you can use a place value chart. Please do whichever one you are most comfortable with. Again, I am most comfortable with the place value chart, but that doesn't mean that that's what's going to work for you. You have to choose the strategy that's going to work best for you. Thanks for tuning in.